DoorDash address issues often stem from GPS pin drift, problems with saved places, or zip code mismatches. The app relies on your device's GPS, which can be inaccurate in urban areas or indoors. GPS pin drift occurs when your device's location signal is weak. This can happen in dense urban environments or inside buildings. Problems with saved places can occur if addresses are outdated or if the app's data is corrupted. Check and update them in the app settings. Zip code mismatches prevent order placement. Always double-check that the zip code entered matches your actual location. Start by enabling high-accuracy location mode in your phone settings. On iOS, this is called precise location. On Android, it's high-accuracy mode. Grant the DoorDash app always location permission to ensure continuous access to your GPS data. If the pin moves, long press on the map during order placement to manually adjust the location pin. Ensure your saved addresses are correct by checking them in the app's account section under addresses. A zip code mismatch will block your order, so always double-check and correct it. For a quick fix, clear the DoorDash app cache on Android or reinstall the app on iOS to resolve data corruption issues. If basic steps fail, try these advanced solutions. Restart your device and calibrate your GPS using Google Maps. Disable any VPN or location spoofing apps. Ensure your DoorDash app is updated to the latest version for the newest GPS improvements. To prevent future problems, use saved places for frequently used addresses and label them clearly. Be aware that DoorDash uses AI to learn your patterns and prevent address changes, but user input is still crucial. Contact DoorDash support if problems persist. Expect continued improvements in address accuracy thanks to AI and cross-platform synchronization.